Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Carmi, local and long-distance movers near me. Our long-distance moving solutions are the right choice for you and include packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on-time move and upfront pricing. If you're ready to move your family or business 1 state over, 2 states over, or across the country, we can help. Our team will make moving less stressful. We can even help with the relocation when you need to move from one job or any other reason. With the right Illinois moving company, you get a team of professionals. Your movers will show up ready to work and know how to streamline the process. Even a local move is a big job. It will require you to do a ton of lifting if you don't hire anybody to help. 3 Movers offers full local moving services. We make sure your move is simple and painless. If you want to settle in with more time and energy, you want a moving company to help. We can even get you moved in just one afternoon. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Carmi moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.